Alright guys, here we go. Today I'm working on need a replacement board for this Asus here. And it worked. The other board I had in here was a little past or unrepairable. We had a bunch of shorted out components and it just didn't make sense. So picked this guy up here for about $54 shipped on eBay. Fires up, everything, had it all assembled. Went to install Windows and my left mouse click does not work. So of course I was like, well, let me check the assembly, and I had forgotten, the mouse pad assembly. I had forgotten that this one has integrated on the board here. So I thought, let's do a little bit of poking around. So got a pin here, this visibly labeled with a triangle, and this button seems to work when we go ahead and take the center pin and this pin and push the button, and we get a closed circuit. Now we reverse that over to here and nothing happens. So what we're gonna do, I have the old board and the button seems to function properly on this one, so I think what we're gonna do is void the warranty, I guess. Whatever kind of warranty eBay really has, whatever says 90 days, but that's alright. We got to make this work, so let's get to it here. Go ahead and get this tinned up with some low melt so we can get it off nice and easy. Fire off the old heat gun. And try to protect this area here a little bit. Actually, I think we're going to, these buttons, sometimes hot air can get them mushed up pretty good, so I think what we'll try to do is just raise it slowly, let the solder sit, and eventually get it up off of there. Be careful not to pop any pads here. There we go. Okay. Now, could do here is retest that theory, make sure there ain't some sort of weird short on the board here. If I can get on it, let's see. being a pain as usual. Yeah, there's some sort of dead short in this thing or something. Yeah, there's something wrong with that button. Okay. Now, let's go ahead, take our donor here. Go. Pads ready there. Tin them on up. This little guy put back down. Cockeyed. Should be good. A little cleanup. Okay. Let's go back to our meter here. And on push we've got contact, so that's good. Okay. Okay, now what we can go ahead and try to do is, let's see if it actually works. Bang. Alright, keyboard on this one appears to be messed up too, or there's something else going on the board. But for now, let's see if our clicky's going to work. We'll go ahead and head into Windows installation and see if we can get anywhere here. Check something in the BIOS real quick here. Oh, want to make sure we're in EFI, UEFI. Okay, that should be the key to get us in the BIOS. What the heck's going on here? Well, yeah, okay, well, we are on UEFI, so that's fine. Okay, let's see where we get this time. See if we can actually get a click to work here. Okay. So this is where I get stuck, you know? So let's try it. Oh, look at that. We're good to go. All right. Simple little project. I'm going to start posting more of the little things like this that I find out going wrong. But that was how you could test that out to determine that. I mean, it was either that or the actual controller chip, you know, but I wasn't, you know, check the button first. So, all right, that's it for now. See you on the next one.